Hi, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your Fold of the Week. This week's super cool fold is from the deep archive at Foldfactory. I was really excited to rediscover it recently. This was produced by my good friends at the John Roberts Company in Minneapolis for client BB. There's so much real estate in this. This is a wonderful machinable format for mail. You're going to love it. Let's take a closer look. Here's the cover. It's a 6x8.5 folded self-mailer, mailing panel on the back with a QR code. And when you open it, you'll see that this coupon, it's a long vertical coupon, 3 inches wide. It has a perfed edge actually, but you use it almost like a handle to open this piece. And it's got 5 big panels. This spread is 33 inches wide. It's too big for my camera view. And so you have all of this space for beautiful imagery. In this case, I love how they kept having the different models all the way across and all the strong visuals. But you can see it just parallel folds in. And so the production on this is quite simple. And then you've got another layout on the back side. We'll flip it over here and you can see there's just so much space for content, but yet from a production standpoint, this is just a series of parallel folds. And this is technically a 10-page parallel. And then that panel folds in and you can see the coupon just folds over it, and that's how it ends up on the top. Brilliant, right? This piece was printed on 80-pound gloss-coated cover with an aqueous coating for protection through the mail. So it just feels great, simple production. These were scored and then just perfed for the one coupon, machine folded. So totally efficient, brilliant mail. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. 10-page parallel fold with tear-off coupon. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. And viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folding ideas, downloads, and templates. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.